Are you facing a frustrating 500 internal server error after changing your AllowOverride settings in Ubuntu? Here's the situation. One user moved their project from Bluehost and XAMPP to a local Ubuntu server. They found that while accessing files with the .php extension worked fine, accessing them without the extension resulted in a 404 error. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. The issue here often stems from the server configuration and how it handles .htaccess files. When AllowOverride is set to none, the server ignores the directives in your .htaccess file, which can lead to unexpected behavior. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only fix the 500 error, but also learn how to properly configure your server for future projects. To resolve the 500 internal server error, the user should first check the Apache error logs. This will provide insight into what is causing the error. The logs can typically be found in the directory vog/apache2. Next, the user should ensure that the mod rewrite module is enabled in Apache. This module is essential for the .htaccess file to function correctly. The user can enable it by running the command sudo a2enmod rewrite in the terminal. After enabling mod rewrite, the user should verify that the AllowOverride directive is set correctly in the Apache configuration file. The user should ensure that it is set to all for the directory where the project files are located. Finally, the user should check the syntax of the htaccess file for any errors. A small mistake in the syntax can lead to a 500 error. The user can test the configuration by running apache config test to ensure there are no syntax errors. Fun fact, did you know that the first web server was created in 1990? It was a simple program that served HTML files. Look how far we've come. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests modifying the default Apache configuration file. First, open the file located at etc apache2 sites available/000-default.conf. Inside the virtual host block, add a directory block for your web root, allowing overrides by setting AllowOverride to all. After saving the changes, restart Apache to apply the new settings. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution comes from a user who faced the same issue. They found success by enabling the rewrite module in Apache. They suggest running two commands in the terminal. First, sudo a2enmod rewrite to enable the module, and then sudo service apache2 restart to restart the server. This simple step resolved their problem. Additionally, they recommend ensuring your directory settings in the Apache configuration allow overrides. They suggest using AllowOverride all in the directory settings and ensuring the directory name does not include extra characters. Here's a pro tip. Always back up your configuration files before making changes. This way, if something goes wrong, you can easily revert to the previous settings. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the 500 internal server error and get your project running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.